Here's section 5. Let me play it and then I'll teach it. Section 5, lick number 1. We're going to start with a pickup. And the pickup is the same as the one we've been using. So once again, you're going to slide from the 5th fret to the 6th fret on the 3rd string. Then frets 5 and 7 on the 2nd string. Then a relentless double stops at the 5th fret, barred top 2 strings with a half-step slide. Again, hand down by the bridge. Now I'm going to add another double stop to that, which is going to be up here. Same position, but we're going to play the high C note here at the 8th fret of the 1st string and the F sharp note at the 7th fret of the 2nd string. And the same thing applies. Relentless double stops with a half-step slide. Okay? Now I'm going to play single notes. Okay, this is a major pentatonic lick. That doesn't matter, but it's a cool sound. It's kind of different than what we've been doing. I'm going to be in the 2nd position, start on the 3rd string, slide from the 4th fret up to the 6th with my 3rd finger, and then 5, 7, 5 on the 2nd string. And then take my 3rd finger, put it on that 6th fret, hit it, and slide down to the 4th fret. 2nd fret, then the 4th fret of the 4th string. 3, 4. Then we're going to play, which I love that lick. That's a double stop. It's bent, but it's not bent. It's what I would call, it's a rhythmic idea. So what I'm going to do is put 2 fingers on individual notes here, creating a double stop. My 3rd finger goes at the 7th fret, 3rd string, and my pinky goes on the 7th fret of the 2nd string. I'm going to hit those notes, but I'm not going to hit them on 1. I'm going to hit them on the end of 1, so 1. I'm going to hit them and bend them up and down in time to the music. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1. Now, let's go back, put this all in context, the first lick or so here. And so you can remember what it sounds like. 1, 2, 3. One. Section 5, lick number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, 3 notes, very simple, in the 5th position. 7th fret, 4th string, then bar across the 5th fret, strings 3 and 2, hit the notes twice. Oh, don't forget this. And notice my 1st finger, again, pulling. I don't know why I like to call this smearing. I'm pushing the notes across the frets just to create a little attitude. Don't worry about being in tune or out of tune. That's not the point. In fact, the point is to be a little bit out of tune. Actually, it'll sound uglier and more rock and roll. I love it. So, the rhythm is tricky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So you start on the end of 1 with the A note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and. Very important that you don't start on 1 or it won't sit right rhythmically. Start on the and of 1. And that happens 4 times. Here's section 5, lick number 3. Here's what it sounded like. Okay, once again, it's all attitude. The notes are fairly simple. You're going to play the 7th fret of the 1st string and the 8th fret of the 2nd string. First thing you do is go way back here to the bridge, play the 2 notes using only downstrokes in steady, driving, relentless 8th notes. And you're going to bend while you're playing it the 2nd string slightly. So the rhythmic breakup is da 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 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. And do that again. 3 4. Here's section 5, lick number 4. 1 2 3 4. We're going to start with double stops. Here at the 5th fret, you're going to play our old favorite, top 2 strings barred at the 5th fret. But you're going to play that once, and then you're going to add to that, keep the note steady on the, keep the note, pedal the note on the 1st string, which is going to be A, and to that add the 7th fret of the 2nd string, then the 8th fret of the 2nd string, back to the 7th fret, back to the 5th fret. Make sure you keep your fingers arched out over the fretboard so you don't, if you flatten them out, you're gonna mute the high string. Be careful you don't do that, it's very important. Then go down to the 3rd string, 7th fret, then the 5th fret and the 6th fret, and then 5th fret of the 3rd string, bend it a little bit, then 7th fret of the 4th string, followed by 7th fret of the 5th string. Here's section 5 at a reduced tempo. 1 2 3. One.